Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about a brand new Bitget airdrop and show you how to get Solana tokens in just a few simple steps. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps the channel grow. I do my best to quickly find promising and early crypto projects that can potentially boost your crypto portfolio. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is massive and full of opportunities, and you definitely shouldn't miss events like this. Now, let me briefly explain what this airdrop is about, and then I'll demonstrate the token claiming process step by step using my own wallet. The official resource to participate will be linked in the video description. Official website, bitget-souls.com. Stay alert and do not fall for scam websites. The Solana airdrop is a distribution of free tokens by projects built on the Solana blockchain. Usually, users must meet certain conditions, such as holding specific tokens or interacting with the project's platform. This approach helps attract attention to new projects, reward active users, and build a strong community around the ecosystem. Now, let's move on to claiming the tokens. The first step is to make sure you already have some SOL in your wallet, since on-chain activity is required to meet the eligibility criteria. Next, go to the official website bitget-souls.com. The link is in the video description. After that, connect the wallet that is most active and has already interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a confirmation window will appear, approve it, and wait. Then simply wait for the tokens to be credited to your wallet. I strongly recommend not missing this opportunity and taking part in this airdrop, as it's a great way to increase your crypto holdings. If you experience any issues, leave a comment under the video and I'll be happy to help. Good luck and see you in the next video.